We went to the Pink Sister in Style Benlo. So we're here already. So kaya here we are. That is the Saint Michael Church in Benlo. At tatawid kami behind that church. Meron siyang ferry going to the other side, to Barlo. So ayan, para ma-experience ni Ate M, sakay kami ng ferry with our car going to Barlo. And that is the church of SBD, where the SBD came from and start Saint Michael's in Benlo in Style. And after in Barlo, I show attempts actually the glass house plantation here in the Netherlands para mainit kasi malamig dito, so that's why they get a lot of glass house. And end up kami sa Germany for Burger King kasi walang chicken wings ang Burger King ng Netherlands, kaya dito kami sa Germany. So that's our day.